Welcome to this short video on concyclic points and cyclic quadrilaterals. We're going to start by going to geogebra.org. And now we need to sign in. So you'll be using either your Office 365 or your Google account, or you'll enter your username and password. From there, you'll get your home screen. And what we want to do is we want to click on GeoGebra in the upper left corner. From there, we're going to select the geometry calculator frame. And that opens up a workspace for us. The middle blank area is the work area. Toward the top, you'll see all of these buttons that are the tools that we'll be using to make constructions and do measurements. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to place 3 points in the work area. So we'll go to the point button, click it, drop down to point, and then in the work area, you're going to place and click 3 points. From there, we're going to construct a circle using the Circle Through 3 Points tool. So you click the circle button, drop down to Circle Through 3 Points. And what you're going to do is you're going to go to those 3 points that you placed in the work area and click them. And you'll notice that a circle is formed through those 3 points. Notice it does not give you a center. This purposefully only provides the circle. Now you're going to place a 4th point on the circle. So go back to the point button and drop down to point. And now you're going to move your cursor in the work area so that it highlights the circle. Notice that when you're on the circle gets a little darker. So that knows that that's how you know you've placed the point on the circle. Now we're going to create a convex quadrilateral using the Polygon tool. So you're going to move over to the Polygon tool, drop down to Polygon, and you're simply going to click each of the 4 points that you've placed on the circle. These become the vertices of the polygon. You need to return back to your original starting point to close the figure. And now you'll notice that if you use the pointer tool, the move tool, you can grab and drag these vertices and alter your figure. Notice some of the points control the size of the circle as well. That's because those first 3 points made the circle. Now we're going to measure the interior angles of the quadrilateral. So you go to, and now you can hear my dog, the angle tool, and then you're just going to click the interior of the quadrilateral, and you'll notice that all of the angles are measured for you. And now, again, we're going to use the pointer tool to drag the vertices of the quadrilateral. So as we drag the quadrilateral, we notice that the first 3 vertices that we placed also change the shape of the circle, but if we drag that 4th one that we placed directly on the circle already that was made, then we see that only the quadrilateral changes. And the question is, what do you notice?